Amigo Otto. Fact 14. Super Saiyan 3 was a last-minute flex. That big old forehead and long hair? Super Saiyan 3 was made up on the spot during Buu arc.
I'm sorry that took so much longer than the others.
What a useless transformation. You've changed your hair, so what?
Toriyama was like, more hair equals more power. Anime logic 101. Fact 15. Goku versus Vegeta equals franchise lifesaver. Dragon Ball GT flopped like Yamcha in a crater. But when Goku and Vegeta came back in Dragon Ball Super,
Probably. You want to use the hyperbolic time chamber, don't you?
boom, the fans came running like Krillin to a healing beam.
Come on, you can do it. Stay focused. Don't lose your cool.
Fact 16. DBZ sound design changed anime forever. Those punchy sound effects, that Kamehameha charge, it changed how anime feels. Without DBZ, anime fights will still sound like someone shaking a maraca.